What is dark matter and dark energy? Suppose the universe was the equivalent of $100. Only $5 would be equivalent to real matter. $68 would be the equivalent of dark matter, dark energy. $27 would be the equivalent of dark matter. But I have still not yet answered your question of what dark matter is. Suppose you are driving on the road in a car during the day. It's daylight. And there is no obstacle whatsoever on the highway, and you hit something. You stop, get out of the car, and go to investigate, and you do not find anything. And you have all kinds of equipment that you use to try to figure out what you really hit, and all of them are giving you a negative results. There is nothing that you actually hit in the vicinity. So you reverse and still try to go through, because your equipment that knows how to detect an obstacle, it is telling you there's nothing. So you assume maybe it was just something that passed on, that was crossing the road. So you get back in the car and try to drive again, and lo and behold, you hit something again. So there must be something. So you get out of the car. This time around, you don't go through with the car. You try to go on your walk through the area that you hit something, and you actually walk through. So the question now is, what is in that area that a car cannot pass through, but you as a person can pass through? But you cannot see it. Basically, it does not reflect. It is transparent to light. So all you see is nothing. It does not reflect light. So you still see nothing. So the question is, what did you hit? Dark matter behaves in a similar way. It does not interact with light, and it does not interact with matter in the way that we know. The only way that it interacts with the real matter is through gravitational fields. And we know this because of the way the stars in a galaxy rotate. Because if you did not have dark matter, then their velocities will be very different compared to what is being measured. So there must be something that is causing that, and that is where the dark matter theory comes in, that there is something that we can't see. But the answer is, we don't know what it is. Similarly with dark energy, the universe is expanding at an accelerating rate, but we don't know how to account for that additional acceleration. So the answer is, we don't know what dark energy and dark matter is, but we know some certain properties like the ones that I have given. It does not interact with light. Dark matter does not interact with light, and it interacts with real matter through gravitational fields, and it makes up about 27% of the universe. So all in all, if this was a lifestyle audit, you would only say how to use. You can only account for $5 out of the $100 that you have, which does not look good on you, does not reflect good on you. But you have done a lot with that $5. You have been able to go to space just by understanding that 5% of the universe. You have been able to go to space. You have made nuclear reactors. You have made nuclear weapons. Unfortunately, you have made satellites, medical advances, and it is all in understanding that 5%.